These fruit mold videos are going absolutely viral every single day, and creators are gaining thousands of followers just by posting this exact style of content. Look at this. On one Instagram page, a single video crossed 52.6 million views, and on another page, this video crossed 87 million views. Now watch what I just created with AI in under 3 minutes. And I am going to show you the totally free method to create these yourself right now. Make sure to subscribe because you do not want to miss this. First, head over to ChatGPT and click on Explore GPTs. Search for Fruit Mold Generator and click on the first result. Open the GPT and click Start. Now, we'll ask you a few simple things. First, enter the gender, then choose your fruit, and then choose the shape of the object. You can also enter your own creative idea here, but I'm going with woman, strawberry, and rabbit as the shape. Hit enter and ChatGPT will instantly provide you 4 image prompts and 3 video prompts. Everything you need to create the full video is right here. Now copy the first image prompt and head over to Google Flow. Choose the image option and make sure you have your desired settings selected. Paste image prompt 1 in and hit enter. In seconds, your first perfectly structured image will be ready. Repeat the exact same process for all remaining images until every scene is done. Now let's bring all these images to life. Click on the video option and choose frames along with your desired settings. Choose image 1 as the start frame and image 2 as the end frame. Copy video prompt 1 and paste it in. Google Flow will generate your first scene video in seconds. For the second scene, choose image 2 as the start frame and image 3 as the end frame. Paste video prompt 2 and generate. Repeat the exact same process for the third scene until all your images are converted into videos. When all your scenes are ready, open any video editor you like and combine all the clips in sequence. Remove any unwanted parts, add smooth transitions to make the video flow naturally. Select all clips and scale up slightly to hide the VO watermark. Hit export, and your viral fruit mold video is completely ready to post. The tools are free. The process is right here. The only thing left is you starting. Subscribe for more tutorials like this, drop a like if this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.